The Quick AutoHotkey Guide for Beginners. Learning the keyboard shortcuts to your system and software changes the user experience. In most cases, it makes you more productive and able to achieve more in less time. Other shortcuts aim to improve quality of life. AutoHotkey takes this idea one step further and allows you to create custom shortcuts for almost any task you perform on your computer. AutoHotkey is addictive once you become proficient. But for now, let's learn the basics with this guide for beginners. AutoHotkey is a scripting language that allows the creation of macros and scripts, typically triggered using hotkeys. Examples of common uses for AutoHotkey are: AutoHotkey is open source and available for Windows. To install AutoHotkey, head to the official AutoHotkey website and click Download. On the following screen, select Download AutoHotkey Installer and the download should begin automatically. Installing with the default settings is recommended. But if you are using a 32-bit system, use the custom installation option to install the correct version. There is also a version for the ANSI character set. This is not something you'll need, though some older scripts rely on it. After installation, locate AutoHotkey in the Start menu and open it. You will see the help document, which AutoHotkey has in place of a traditional GUI. The simplest way to use AutoHotkey is to use scripts already made by others. This script will convert by the way to by the way every time you type it. This image shows what the script contains. Double-click on the script to launch it.